Good evening, everybody. I'm John. It's about 7 o'clock. We're in Canton, Ohio. Hitting the sack kind of early tonight. We got to be up about 1:30, 1:40 in the morning. We're going to be fishing Lake Erie, going ice fishing. First time for me. Got about 8 inches of snow between last night and this morning. Going to drive about 2.5 hours north to Port Clinton, fishing for walleye, doing a little live bait fishing, and looking forward to it. I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning. It's 2 a.m. It's Sunday. I don't even know the date. Outside temperature is 5 degrees with the wind chill is around -10, -11. We're in Dundee, just southwest of Canton. Getting ready to drive about 2.5 hours north to Port Clinton to do that ice fishing, and we're looking forward to it. Then what do you think? This will be our hole for the day. Beautiful sunrise. Time to catch some walleye. No fish in spot number 1. Heading about another mile. We'll be right back.
What is it?
It's a walleye, man. That's a walleye. Yeah.
How long they gotta be? 15?
15, he's 15. Ain't even gotta check him, man.
Throw him over here.
He's every bit of 9 inches. Uh-oh. He is a good one.
Get him in get him in the ice. Go let them get him in the boat. What's up, everybody? So we didn't exactly crush them on the walleye trip. Ice was thin where Cat wanted to really fish. He didn't really trust it. Moved to a different location. He pretty much gave us a heads up. It's not going to be as good, but we all still wanted to go. So we wound up having 2 walleye. I'd say 1.5 pounds a piece. So we're going to clean them up, fry them up, have us a good little supper out of it. So I'll let you check out what we got going. Easiest way I do it, 45. Get along the backbone, run down the bottom, do the same across the top. Having a sharp knife is lovely. And then just run down that backbone. Go up and over your ribs. Don't have to worry about getting any of that in your supper. Typically I leave it attached here, but seeing how I don't really have the room to do that and flip them over without getting my counter all dirty, we're just going to cut that off. We'll flip them over. Run into 45, get as much of that meat as possible. I've never personally had them, but they say they're delicious. And again, sharp knife, you can't go wrong. I actually just bought one of those working tool sharpeners from Menards, and sharpened just about every knife I had in a half an hour. And buddy, they will shave. So that's it. Nothing but bone there. I don't really do the belly or the throat, especially on these smaller fish. Once we get that, cut a little bit of belly out. Run that knife right along the skin. No meat. All the meat is gone. Do the same thing on this one. Pretty meat. Not really sure what it tastes like, but if you ask the locals, they say it's pretty good. Alright, guys and gals, we're getting ready to fry this fish up, so I'll tell you what I like to do. A little bit of Tony's, medium ground fresh black pepper, Everglades fish and chicken, bag of self-rising flour. Give it about a tablespoon of each of the 3 spices. I don't do an egg wash when I'm doing a little light fry. About 3/8 of an inch vegetable oil in a cast iron skillet. And we'll just take our fish. I rinsed it off so it's got a little bit of moisture on it so the breading will stick to it. Cut the fillets in half so we don't make quite the mess. Make sure it's got it good tight so flour don't go everywhere. We'll give it a good shake. Alright, looks like our grease is plenty hot enough. shake it off, get rid of any excess on there. That's just what you want to see. So you hear the sizzling picking up. We're going to back it down on the flame just a little bit. It does not take this stuff long, and it does not go well overcooked. We're going to give it probably 2 minutes on each side. We'll watch the white of the meat and see what it does. Should be good. I like mine a little crispy, a little golden brown color. Tastes better, looks better. You know, even though I'm cooking for myself, I take a lot of pride in my cooking, and I love to entertain and cook. Anybody that knows me will tell you that. I'm gonna bring a little more tones on here. Might have overdid it with the flour just a little bit. But presentation on your meal is a big part of it. Food doesn't look good, probably not going to taste that good to somebody. If it looks good, it's going to be in their mindset, it's going to be good. So, a little word for wise there. A little more heat. This fish right here is good to go, so we're going to pull it out. Set it up in the microwave. Nobody likes cold fish. We'll drop our last 4 pieces in. That's pretty much it. Our finished product, fresh fried walleye. Looking forward to trying, and looking forward to see everybody on the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more, and we'll see you on the next one.